Invest Karnataka 2016 is being organized by Government of Karnataka, Department of Commerce and Industries, and this year in this event we expect a lot of investment to flow in Karnataka, because Karnataka has inherent strengths. In any field you take, Karnataka is in the forefront. It is one of the most progressive states of the country, and here investors will find the investment environment very good. They can invest in any field, take it medical health, medical tourism, education, industry, even research. There are large number of institutions, research institutions in Bangalore. Bangalore is of course now known as IT/BT hub of the country, but more than that, in research and in providing qualified manpower, it is far ahead as compared to many other cities of the country. So therefore the atmosphere of investment is very good, very congenial. The government is very friendly here. The systems and procedures are being streamlined by many departments. Lot of initiatives are being taken by various departments to attract investment and also to make life of the citizens easy. Karnataka and Bangalore especially are situated in such a way that they are central to whole of the South India, and any investor which plans to invest in Karnataka, especially in this part of the state, will find it easy to operate and run those activities which may pertain to even other states of the country in South India. It is very central and it has huge potential here. The climate is good, the other facilities are very good here in this part of the state. So investors will definitely find this place more preferable as compared to the other destinations, other places in the southern parts of the country. And in the times to come, we believe that the students will find it easy to learn in Karnataka, in various institutions of Karnataka, and Karnataka will become a major hub as far as higher education is concerned. We will be attracting a lot of students from other parts of the country as well as from other countries here. So along with this Invest Karnataka meet, we invite the investors here in education field. They can join hands with various universities and institutions here and can take up activities of their interest, be it research, be it education, be it development of skills or soft skills. There is immense potential to explore in Karnataka, and we invite all the investors to come and invest in Karnataka in the field of higher education.